In this fast-paced world, it's important to take time for the small things. We can use these moments to build memories that can last a lifetime. This week, we'll be looking at replacing switches and everyone's favorite, switch covers. Once you have the parts you need, the first step is to simply snap the switch body into place, making sure of the proper orientation. The mounting clips will easily hold the switch securely in place. Now that the switch is installed, you can quickly snap the cover into place by aligning it over the insertion point on the switch and pressing firmly. If you only want to replace existing switch covers, you want to make sure you're using the correct tool. With the proper tool, replacing switch covers becomes as simple as popping out and snapping in. The next step you'll want to take is to install your wire jumpers on the back of the switches, paying careful attention to location and placement. After you've completed all the wiring you need to do, take the time to properly use cable ties. They quickly clean up the backside of the panel and make future modifications a simple task. And that's it. Now, with switches and covers out of the way, you can move on to the rest of the project. Before long, you'll be back on the water making memories with those special to you.